Did you know one of history's most dangerous lies was invented in a single meeting by two men trying to save their own reputations? By late 1918, Germany's military was finished. The army was exhausted, the supply lines were broken, and Field Marshal Hindenburg and General Ludendorff both knew it. They had lost the war, but admitting that meant accepting blame. So they built a story instead. They told anyone who would listen that the army had never truly been defeated. That brave soldiers had been betrayed from behind by socialists, pacifists, and Jews on the home front. A knife in the back from their own people. It was a lie. They knew it was a lie, but it worked perfectly. The story spread across a humiliated Germany and landed in the hands of a young, angry veteran named Adolf Hitler. He didn't need to invent a villain or a mythology. Hindenburg and Ludendorff had already built it for him, fully assembled, ready to use. Two generals protecting their careers handed the Third Reich its foundation.